The first taste of profit in the market feels like magic. A beginner trader places a random trade, and within minutes his account doubles. His eyes widen, his hands shake, and his mind races with possibilities. If I can double my money today, what about tomorrow? That small win plants a dangerous seed, the belief that trading is a lottery ticket. The rush of quick profit becomes addictive, clouding judgment. Instead of learning the craft, he chases bigger wins, increasing his lot sizes, entering without plans, and celebrating lucky streaks. But the market is unforgiving. What went up yesterday crashes today. His oversized positions face sudden reversals, and he watches helplessly as his profits vanish. Greed convinces him to add more trades, hoping to recover, but the deeper he goes, the faster his account bleeds. Finally, the dreaded margin call flashes, and everything is gone. What felt like easy money turns into painful loss. In that moment, the trader realizes greed is not just a bad habit, it's a trap. The trader now understands that greed is the enemy. Instead of chasing fast money, he turns inward. He buys a notebook and begins journaling. Each entry starts with his rules: risk only 1% per trade, never add to a losing position, wait for setups that match my plan. This small habit becomes his shield. At first it feels boring. The gains are small, and the excitement of doubling an account overnight is gone. But soon, he notices a difference: his account is steady. Small wins begin to compound. For the first time, he sees growth that doesn't disappear. Greed still whispers in his ear, tempting him with quick flips, but he remembers the sleepless nights and crushing losses. Discipline gives him peace. His goal shifts from fast riches to long survival. By walking away from greed, he steps into the path of consistent growth. Discipline alone isn't enough without patience. The trader learns that sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. In the past, he felt an uncontrollable urge to always be in the market. If the chart moved, he wanted a piece of it. But now he practices waiting. He sits through hours of watching candlesticks move without pressing the buy or sell button. The market begins to reward him differently. By waiting for the perfect setup instead of chasing every candle, his trades carry higher probability. He no longer forces trades out of boredom. Instead, he understands that opportunities are like buses, they always come again. Patience removes pressure and protects him from reckless decisions. The longer he waits, the clearer the patterns become. Slowly, he realizes the market is not about speed but timing. Greed wants everything now. Discipline and patience want growth over time. The trader embraces consistency as his true edge. He sets a realistic goal: 2 to 3% growth per month. It doesn't sound glamorous, but it's sustainable. He sticks to his system daily like an athlete training. His journal fills with notes, screenshots, and lessons. Month by month, his account begins to grow, not in leaps, but in steady steps. He feels pride not in big wins but in following his process. He understands that even losses are part of the journey if they stay controlled. Consistency becomes his weapon against greed. Each day he proves to himself that small, disciplined actions beat reckless gambling. One day the trader looks back at his journey. He remembers the sleepless nights, the empty account balances, the shame of greedy mistakes. But he also sees how far he's come. His account is growing, but more importantly, he has grown. He no longer sees trading as a get-rich-quick game, it's a craft, a discipline, a long-term business. The real wealth is not just in the profits but in the mindset he built. By killing greed, he gained patience, control, and clarity. He understands that in trading, survival is victory and consistency is freedom. His story is no longer about chasing quick profits, but about building a foundation for lifelong success. Greed was the trap, but discipline became the escape.